To change the theme on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down to the themes section right here, and then to open it you will need to have both internet connection and Samsung account logged in. When it's done, then open Galaxy themes and scroll all the way down if you want to find free themes. If you want, you can go for any of the options right here, but keep in mind that most of them require payment, so they have price tag. You'll need to pay that to get them, but you can find free ones, as I said, as on the bottom. Choose whichever option you like, then download it. That way, when it's downloaded, you'll be able to apply it as your wallpaper. So let's wait those few moments, and then we can apply it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.